Now we are going to see about checkout. So how to do the checkout, I'll let you know that. Just come to front office, cashier, operations. So here you can see the checkout screen. So from here you have to double click on this and this will open the checkout screen. So from here we have what are the fields we have, see, like individual room and group room. So based on that we can make a checkout. Suppose if you want to do individual checkout, so you have to click on the individual room. Suppose if you have a 3 to 4 groups, so for the particular group I need to check out means you have to click on the group and you have to press F1 from the group ID, so it will show the group. So based on that we can do. See, I'll do for individual room first. Click on the individual room and you have to press F1. It will show all the rooms. Suppose I'll go to do for 421. So it's showing the tariff not yet posted from room number. Do you want post tariff? So this is showing that the second day tariff has to be charged. So if you want to charge, make it yes. Otherwise you can, if you don't want means you have to click as no. So if you given any instruction from the special instruction screen while doing the check-in, so that will be reflect in the special instruction at the time of checkout. So now we can make it yes. So you can use select all also. Then you can go for billing. So before that, suppose if you want to do any charges for this room, you have to click on postings from the checkout screen itself, as well as cutoff date. So what is the cutoff date? See, suppose the guest is staying for 10 days, the guest wants to give the part payment for 5 days, so that time you have to click on the cutoff date. So from 5 days you have to enter that date and that will be split the amount for the 5 days. And billing, see, from this screen itself we can do the settlement also from the checkout screen. Now we are came for billing screen. So if you want to do for consolidated view, you have to make it a consolidated view bill also. So consolidated view means, see, suppose the guest is staying for 10 days or 5 days or 3 days, so based on that it will be, the revenue will become large, that 2-3 bills will be go, for example. So suppose that all the entire revenue has to be come in single line, means suppose tariff means tariff and extra bill means extra bill, for 10 days it should be come from only in a single line. That's a consolidated view. So for that purpose we are using the consolidated view. And see, suppose if you want to do a split, like food bill separate and tariff bill separate, means you have to click on the split bill and make it as number 2. So like that we have to do the split for the bill. And save split. So after that we are go for the save split. Now you have to click as yes. And see, suppose if you want a print folio, like it's a provisional bill. So if you want a provisional bill, so without bill number, so guest need any clarification on that, so you have to click on the print folio. So this will generate the summary copy, so without bill number. So you can show that to the guests if there is any changes on that bill, like guest address or guest name, or in that any transaction difference, so you can get the clarification from with this bill, like provisional bill. So you can see in this bottom it will show that it's a provisional bill, so you cannot do for the settlement. See, and exit. So finally you can go for bill. So now, so you have to make it print. So now the bill has printed. So after that, so from the same checkout screen we can use for the settlement also. So you have to click the settlement and you have to press F1, and here you have to select the bill number. So from here, so we have lots of pay modes like cash, check, credit card, company, stock, forex, room. So based on that we have to select the mode. Suppose the guest is paying for cash, you have to click on the cash. See, from here you have to click on the amount column, so you have to click press in the keyboard delete, so that the amount will be pick up automatically. And if you have any tips, you have to enter the tips. If you have any remarks, you have to enter the remarks, and after that click OK. So finally you have to make it a save. So from here you can get one pop-up. So do you want print receipt, you have to click it yes. Suppose if you want the receipt, you have to click it yes. If otherwise you don't know, just click on no. And after that we have one more pop-up, so checkout packs. So if you click on OK from the checkout packs, then only the entire room has to be checked out. Otherwise that only the bills has been checked out, but packs still be there if you not click on OK. Now the packs has been checked out. So this is the way we are doing the checkout. That's it. Thank you.